involvement in the spiritual activity brings the real joy. The source of real happiness, the happiness that is everlasting, the happiness that is ever increasing, the happiness that inundates the heart with a feeling of ecstasy, that is available only through spiritual indulgence, not from anything else. Materialistic involvement can never give us the everlasting joy. They may give us some temporary pleasure, but that is not what heart is hankering for. This temporary pleasure come and go. In the world of suffering, when the suffering is reduced to some extent, we call it pleasure. We call it happiness. But that's not what our heart is hankering for. Our heart is hankering for something that is everlasting, that's forever. And that can be achieved only through being engaged in serving the Supreme Personality of Godhead.